Okay, I'm just gonna issue an official warning. The sound you're about to hear is worse than a game show buzzer on steroids. Yes, it's a smoke detector. And yes, it's annoying, but it saves lives. I'm Miriam Johnson, co-host of the TV show Home Time. I've been involved with home improvement projects my whole life. And believe it or not, I see homes without smoke detectors or with non-functioning smoke detectors all the time. The National Fire Protection Association says that smoke detectors should be installed in each bedroom and outside every sleeping area. And there's a good reason for this. Smoke detectors save lives. I have some smoke detectors here to show you. Some run on batteries and some are hardwired and include a battery backup. If you use a battery-powered unit, make sure that you test the alarms once a month. It's also recommended that you change the batteries once a year. Now, my preference is a hardwired unit that has a battery backup in case the power goes out. Now, these can be interconnected so that if one sounds the alarm, all the detectors in the home go off. The only thing is you do need to have a professional electrician install this for you. Whatever you choose, do make sure that you replace your detectors every 10 years. The sensors wear out and renders them pretty much useless. You can find the date that yours was manufactured right here on the back. So let's give some love to this life-saving device with the annoying voice. If you need help installing your smoke detectors, give us a call. We'd be happy to help you out.